Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about top ways to brand your business. Okay, building brand awareness is no longer only about flash ads that may or may not pique someone's interest. In today's marketing landscape, brand awareness takes creativity, determination, and most importantly, a solid strategy that pushed customers through the funnel. So, as a business owner, you might think that gaining attention only require paying more money on ads that you are currently running. Okay, what is your brand? If you had a some of business in sentence, what would it be? Although it sounds really easy to do, summarizing what your company stand for is not always easy. In a nutshell, your brand is the story your business tells or wants to tell across all customers touch point. Secondly, broaden your education. Even if you already worked in market, there is always something new to learn. In fact, digital media trend come and go in a blink of an eye, so you need to stay in the know. Third, do your research before you flash your style guide. You need to do your research, see what your competition is doing, identify whether their target audience interacts with them, and if there is an ongoing engagement regardless of what niche your business incubators do. Attendance engagement is a very important aspect in interaction. Acting with your largest audience is key to building a loyal consumer base. It shows you are about their wants to and need. The next, hire an expert. Even with the best intention, something it is not easy to align your branding effort with your goals. If you that's the case, you can always enlist the help an expert. Marketing and branding expert work with you to map your message across all channels is necessary. You can look a small business loans to cover the cost getting your branding on point. Spend time thinking of a unique logo. Stay true or to yourself. Okay, this is the steps. Thanks for watching.